Hey guys, what's up? It's G. This is a real teddy bear. It's not a real polo bear, but it's a real polo teddy bear. Anyway, I used that image and some polo text, Ralph Lauren, to make my shirt. So this is the shirt we're gonna be making today, and I wanted you guys to see. So I put this together using Affinity Photo. I just got my Mac Mini, M1 Mac Mini. When you're making a shirt for yourself, you could do anything. I cut on my Epson F570, cut on heat press. And get the temperature set. Let's move this over here. Let's let it heat up. Make sure everything's prepared to our design. And let me get prepared to print. It's on auto cut. As you can see, our image is mirrored, and it has let the paper go. So now all I gotta do is grab the paper, you're doing sublimation. You really want your heat press between 385 and 400. And you want to do it from between 45 to 60 seconds. So I got mine set at 460 seconds. Okay, so make sure you lint roll your shirt. You can get them from the dollar store. You can get them from Amazon. Lint roll your shirts. Now, I'll leave links below where you can get all these products. Make sure you be careful when you lint roll your shirts that you don't miss any spots, because I don't know if you guys are used to sublimation or know about sublimation, but if you do sublimate incorrectly and you do miss a spot and you leave lint that you cannot see, mind you cannot see this lint. If you leave it on there, it's very good chance that you will damage your shirt, leave like some blue lines. So make sure the shirt is properly lint rolled on every spot that you plan to print on. It's worth the extra minute or two to prep the shirt, because you gotta wait for the heat press to heat up anyway, and you can actually ruin it just taking it easy. It's important that I get it right. Okay, so now you guys see that it's properly lint rolled. Get it? Okay. Let's lift it up. See what we got here. Let's raise the roof. Woo! Beautiful. Do you see it? Once again, it's your boy G. Please hit that like button and subscribe. It definitely helps out the channel, and ring the bell for notifications, because we will be uploading a lot more videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.